How to thicken up your lawn. Probably every homeowner wishes for a luscious green lawn to complement his home. If your lawn lacks thickness, it probably was planted improperly or is not tolerant of its shady location. If the incorrect grass seed was used or not spread with the proper distribution setting, you may find yourself with a thinly grown lawn. Fortunately, a rather simple solution fixes the problem. With the proper application of fertilizer and seed, you can thicken up your lawn in no time. Things you'll need: lawn spreader, fertilizer, grass seed. Purchase a grass seed appropriate for your climate and is highly tolerant to the shade. If your grass sees shade for the majority of the day, this can be the cause of thinning. If possible, trim back vegetation to allow for more sunlight. Fill the spreader with grass fertilizer and set the spreading mechanism as instructed on the packaging. Push the spreader to fertilize the area of your lawn that you want to thicken. Empty leftover fertilizer from the spreader and pour in your grass seed. Set the spreading mechanism as instructed on the grass seed packaging, then spread the seed over your lawn. Lightly water the area until the soil of the seeded area is damp. Water the area twice a day for 5 to 10 minutes until the grass sprouts. Once sprouted, water the grass 25 to 30 minutes once a day over the next week.